Gaither Tool Company was founded in 1988. It's an international organization serving the tire and trucking industry, best known for commercial truck tire service, tools, and equipment. At our shop, we use the Bead Bazooka, a Gaither balancer, and other Gaither tools that are premium quality and serve our tire service needs. The innovative Wintec line includes Jack the Mech, a signature product line that has become popular. Jack the Mech is a jump start, air compressor, LED light, power bank, used in shops and field service trucks. Jack the Mech has now become a central tool in an innovative off-road kit. Quality in Gaither tools is apparent everywhere. Built specifically as an essential tool for off-road enthusiasts as well as those who want the peace of mind of having the right tools for any encounter, the Gaither Off-Road Kit can boost a battery, air up a flat tire, or even pull someone out of a ditch. The well-conceived package includes all the niche items to get the job done. Gaither Off-Road Backpack, Jack the Mech Wintec Power, 3/4 inch by 20 foot Renegade Kinetic Rope, the Gaither Swiss Force Multi-Tool, the Gaither Work Gloves, and Gaither Tire Repair Kit. While each of these tools is available individually from Gaither, they are put together in an exclusive package in the off-road kit. Quality is evident everywhere. Look at the copper in these clamps, or the brass contacts on the plug end of these jumper cables. These are professional-grade connections that will last. The jumpers are rated for 1,000 amps maximum or 6-liter diesel batteries. This is 12-volt DC output. Plug caps are designed to seal out dust and dirt. The bright LED light doubles as a safety light, including the ability to send an SOS message bright enough to be seen from the air. The Bubba Rope Renegade Series 20-foot 3/4 inch recovery rope has a breaking strength of 19,000 pounds. Made in the USA, this rope will handle a vehicle tug up to 4,000 pounds, which includes light 4x4 Jeep vehicles. These Gaither gloves are outstanding quality and well designed for both work and use of a rope. They are double-stitched, they offer impact protection, slip-free silicone grip, industrial-grade hook and loop, and they're machine washable. When using the Bubba rope, always hook to a D-shackle, not the hook on a winch. Do not hook to a trailer ball. Attach to factory tow hook points on the vehicle frame, if they are available. If you like quality branding, the Gaither Swiss Force knife has everything you might need off pavement. This well-conceived multi-tool has a variety of tools that are specifically aimed at users in the backcountry and remote service needs. High quality and professional-grade equipment again. This is the real deal Swiss fold-out tool. Each of the individual tools in the off-road kit is available at gaithertool.com. These items can be purchased individually or in the off-road kit. There are many knockoffs of these tools. This is the real thing. It would make a wonderful gift by itself. The handy carrying case can be worn on a belt. A common trouble spot for off-road vehicles is batteries. Here, Jack the Mech comes to the rescue. A fully charged Jack the Mech can start several vehicles. The cable plug goes into Jack the Mech in only one direction. This is an easy hookup. Hook the positive first and then the negative on a 12-volt negative ground system. Control buttons are clear. Press Start. The digital screen is bright. Press Start again to cycle to the 12-volt or start circuit. A valuable feature in the unit is the readout of the vehicle battery voltage. We know here that the battery is below peak voltage, which should be 12.6 to 12.9 volts, with the vehicle static, engine not running, and nothing on. Flashing start indicates that the engine can be cranked. Once the engine fires, the clamps can be removed. Negative cable first on this negative ground system. After jumping, disconnect the cables. Airing down, airing up can now be done at your campsite or the trailhead. Jack the Mech's air system will work with bar or PSI. The digital display is easily visible at night. Here we can use PSI or bar. PSI is our choice. This is the actual pressure in the tire. We start the pump at 19 psi. This is a 33-inch diameter, load range E tire. We're going up to 24 psi, the normal highway pressure for this oversized load range E tire. The load capacity per tire is so high that we have to run this lower pressure in order to get the right footprint. Fully loaded, this Jeep XJ Cherokee weighs 3,800 pounds. The Cooper Discoverer ST Max LT 255/85R16 load range E tires can each support 3,415 pounds at maximum inflation pressure. For that reason, we run these tires at 24 to 26 psi on the highway. This provides a normal contact patch. Jack the Mech likes motorcycles too. Jack the Mech is a great companion. Our Honda XR650R on the road or in remote backcountry can benefit from Jack the Mech. There's plenty of luggage space and places to stow Jack the Mech and the Gaither Tire Repair Kit. The XR650R has tube-type tires, so the tire repair kit for tubeless tires won't work. However, if we carry a spare tube, Jack can inflate that tire. Airing up and airing down tires is a regular occurrence for an off-pavement motorcycle. When we get back on pavement with a dual sport, we do need to air the tires back up, and carrying Jack the Mech would be the solution. For ADV motorcycles with tubeless tires, Jack the Mech and the tire repair kit would be ideal. Here is the Gaither Tire Repair Kit. This is high-end professional equipment. Make note though, repairs with a plug are temporary. You do need to service the tire after performing this type of emergency repair. This professional-grade tool can be serviced. These are replaceable tips. The number of plugs available here would service a full set of tires if we ran over an unfortunate porcupine carcass. There's everything here to install the plug and trim it. Amazingly, all of this quality equipment will fit in the backpack. The tire repair kit is at the bottom. Each piece is set in carefully. The buttons on Jack the Mech are protected, and the whole package seals with a quality zipper. Note the handy external USB port. This is a quality and rugged backpack. There could be occasions where you need to hike to the vehicle? If so, this backpack with these straps will handle the job. There are all kinds of stowage areas inside the pack. Material heft and strength is obvious. Features like a built-in USB cord and plug is exceptional. There's room for a laptop computer when Jack and Bubba are busy elsewhere. Instructions are furnished for each of the tools. The Wintec Jack the Mech has its own instruction booklet. Bubba Rope has its own instructions with a lot of safety tips. Bubba Rope even comes with its own genuine Bubba Rope warranty serial number and identification card. There's a drawstring pouch for Jack the Mech accessories. There's a Jack the Mech Signature Series bag for Jack the Mech. The hard case for the Gaither tire tools is a great asset, as are the heavy-duty gloves and the Swiss Force multi-tool. Amazingly, all of this fits in the backpack, including the Bubba Rope. To use Jack the Mech properly, bring the instruction booklet. Take full advantage of the off-road kit.